Looking for a job you can do from the comfort of your home? You're not alone. The good news is, remote work opportunities are booming. From customer service to data entry, there are plenty of easy remote jobs available right now. These roles require minimal experience and offer the flexibility you need. Companies of all sizes and industries are hiring today. Want to find the perfect remote job that fits your lifestyle? Check out FlexJobs for verified, scam-free opportunities tailored to you. Start your journey today and take control of your career, all from home.